Welcome back to our channel, where we delve into the world of audio technology to bring you the best tips, tricks, and product insights. Today, we're addressing a common issue that many CD player users encounter: a stuck or paused CD. Let's get started. First, check the player display. If the play-pause indicator is lit, it might mean your CD is stuck. But if it's flashing, the disc is paused. Simply press the CD play and pause button to resume playback. If that doesn't solve the problem, it's time to inspect the CD itself. Dust and dirt can often cause playback issues. Carefully clean the CD using only a soft cloth to wipe the outer surface. For the front of the system, you can gently vacuum with a soft bristled attachment if needed. Remember, never use solvents, chemicals, or cleaning solutions that contain alcohol, ammonia, or abrasives, and avoid spraying cleaners directly onto the CD. In some cases, the CD itself might be defective. Try another disc to see if the problem persists. If possible, test the same CD in a different player. If it doesn't play there either, the issue likely lies with the CD itself, and make sure that the disc is not a DVD. Still having problems? We're happy to help. USAV Solutions specializes in used Bose products, including home theater systems, wave radio systems, portable speakers, computer speakers, speaker accessories, and more. We guarantee the best prices with exceptional customer service.